2002 Volkswagen Passat. Replacing the shift knob on here is getting kind of deteriorated and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a different one on. I ordered an aftermarket one. And this one came from Poland. Got it off eBay, but it's meant for Audis and stuff. And it's listed for Audis. It's all machined aluminum. If you look at the bottom, it's got a set screw on there. It's got a wire coming down because the center is actually lighted. And this is red. I'll show you that once we get it hooked up here. All leather and stuff. It's actually a really nice piece. I think I paid just about 40 bucks for it, which is very fair. So we're gonna wire this up in here, and I want it to come on ideally with the lights. I turn on the lights. Second alternative would be just with a key on, because I usually drive my lights on anyway. But so if I just had the key on, I'd be happy with that power. So we could run over to the electrical box and stuff there. You can fish wires down through the side here and run them up underneath the dash. But I figured I'd look for wires because there's got to be wires running through this section anyway. So if you look down in the bottom spot down there, there actually is a ground post. So put an end on that. We're going to ground that out down there. I did check these wires here. There is a ground, a constant power, which is the red one there, and then the blue one with the white stripe is actually switched on with the lights. So it is an interior light. It's switched on with the headlights. So that's the ideal one I want anyway. It is a small wire. I think that runs back to, I want to say that cigarette outlet back there, and that is the light that comes on to illuminate it. And then the red one is the power for the outlet, and the ground is for the, obviously the ground of that cigarette outlet or 12-volt power supply. So this one's pretty much the same size wire as that. We're going to tap into that one, and I'll show you how that is when I'm done with it here. Alright, there's a place where it came from there. And so I got power and ground hooked up. Obviously you want to make sure that you run your wires through your boot before you connect them. So I have those connected already. And run down there. And we'll go ahead and start installing the knob. This does come with an Allen wrenches for that set screw on there too as well. I'm going to go ahead and feed the wire through and get that seated. The leather on there. The boot, you want to make sure this is straight as well. And then I'm going to push down. So I get it to pop out this side here. And it does come with a zip tie to go ahead and attach. So get that zip tie tight. Then you want to secure your wiring. Down there as well, and then get this knob centered where you want it, and then tighten the set screw down. Then it's just a matter of putting the boot back down. Goes in the back, I believe, first. Maybe it goes in the front first. I can't really remember. We'll get that set here. So it looks like I had the boot on backwards here. The big tabs, longer tabs here, tuck up underneath the front. First, I just had it on backwards. It's been a while since I took it out, so. And then the back just snaps in. And then you can gently tuck your boot back in. Straighten it out if you need to. Get rid of that glare that's on it. I'll go ahead and turn on the lights. Very nice looking. Very good quality. The leather feels really good. Feels a good quality too. Yeah, I definitely recommend this one. And see it matches the red and stuff in there too, so. Thanks for watching.